We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Microwaves are absorbed by fat and sugar in foods. If metal is put into the appliance, the microwaves cause the electrons to move around, producing sparks and heat. Sparks occur simply due to a buildup of charged particles which produce a concentrated electric field at the edge of the metal object.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.